What's up guys, Scott here from Out and About. Just taking a little nature hike today near Silverthorne on Harrigan Creek Trail. You can see beautiful aspen colors in the background, and I'm also going to be looking for some edible and medicinal plants. So let's go check it out. Big thank you to all the continuing subscribers out there. Really appreciate that support. Also, be sure to check the description for some cool links. Thank you. A great big field full of sage bushes. Let's see if we can find anything behind this tree line. I think this is juniper, which basically it tastes like pine trees or pine sol. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip that for today. Crikey, what have we got here? You can find all kinds of cool stuff in abandoned mining and homesteading areas. So right now it's the middle of September here in Colorado. So I've been finding a lot of berries so far. So I've been finding just a tiny little bit of yarrow, but lots of these little wild rose berries, the rose hips, and also a new one I found called creeping mahonia or Oregon grape. It's a little bit bitter, but I kind of like it. So let's keep looking around and see what else we find. Woohoo! Alright guys, I found some purple clover. Check it out. Love this stuff. Makes such good tea. Right behind me here is a big patch of yarrow. I found it right next to a stream. Everywhere else it was really dry, so I was kind of hoping maybe near some water there might be a little bit left. Woohoo! More. So I don't know if it's just so late in the season, but it's mostly just been berries so far on this trip. I found this at the grocery store. Just de-stemming the grapes here. The grapes that are really ripe and a little more tasty are gonna fall right off of the vine here, or right off of the stem. And then you can see some of these greener ones are not ready to eat. Neither is that little spider. Alright guys, well thank you for stopping by. Found all kinds of cool stuff today. Super stoked about that. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more stuff like this, be sure to click that subscribe button down below you. And also be sure to check the description for some cool videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.